Canara Excellence PU College, Gore, Kumta. Every parent wishes that their child grooms into a socially responsible, learned, and competent individual to face the world of today and future. And the nation wishes the young ones to shape its future. Standing tall and living up to these expectations is the Canara Excellence PU College at Gore village of Kumta Taluk. Run by Shri N Hegde Trust, Kumta, whose founders believed in education for all. The Canara Excellence PU College has made a mark for itself in the field of education in the district of Uttara Kannada in a span of 2 years. A student-centric institution believing in strong academic foundation, imparting multidimensional skills and competence in a learning environment with strong moral values is what makes Canara Excellence PU College different than others. It is here the modern teachings combined with Gurukula model prepares the student into a value-driven, competent individual to take them into the world of professional life. Established in the year 2021 by the well-known gynecologist of Kumta, Dr. N Hegde.
Canara Excellence College is a college with a difference. Along with PUC syllabus, we give Neet, JEE and KCET and CA education. In Gurukula model, our aim is to bring cultured and civilized students to our nation.
The Canara Excellence PU College boasts of 139 enrollment in the very second year of its operation. This speaks volumes about the institution and the commitment of the founders. Located on the lap of scenic Western Ghats, overlooking the Arabian Sea and far from city, the Canara Excellence PU College provides a distraction-free learning environment to students. Spacious classrooms, well-equipped laboratories and library, computer lab, e-learning facility, yoga and prayer hall. Separate hostels for girls and boys facilitate students to concentrate on their learning experience. The experienced and dedicated faculty staying in campus provide students an opportunity for increased engagement and mentoring. In the campus, coaching for Neet, CET, JEE, the first of its kind in the district, is a dream value-added facility to the students to compete on par with urban students.
If you just look at the morphology of this cockroach, the body can be divided into mainly 3 parts there. This part is called as head region. This part thorax, and this is abdomen.
Away from the contact. Tension is always acting away from the contact. So if you observe here, that string is contacted here, the tension force will be away from the contact. So here you can find the tension.
With the daily involvement by the founder Dr. N Hegde, it is not an exaggeration to say that every student is under constant monitoring. Attention to students' health and free medical consultation by Dr. Hegde himself is something unique to Canara Excellence PU College and keeps parents less worried about their wards. In less than 2 years, Canara Excellence PU College has made a name for itself for quality education of the less privileged students of in and around of Gore village to achieve their ambitions. Subsidized fee structure and convenient payments make the parents less burdensome. This pre-university college offering science and commerce streams is open for admission from December. Enrollment is on the basis of entrance test with a qualifying criteria being 90% plus score in SSLC exam. Gore village, a holy place where the ancient temple of Lord Gopalakrishna is situated, is also the place where sage Shri Sridhara Swamiji performed penance. Students studying in Canara Excellence PU College, which is just across the holy shrine, are bound to carry the blessings of Lord Gopalakrishna. Truly a dream place for learning. For more information, contact 94482 06380 and 94494 77473.